Do you like it? You are not happy. You are not looking to me. You are not happy. But you are not happy.
Happy
Huh? Huh? Patsy Sugar, you are not happy? Huh?
and now that's
Why you are not happy? What's going on? What's going on? Do you like it? No? Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Mga Blissey, this is what I'm using to them. Shampoo and conditioner. And then I have, if you have a dog, that's a whitening dog. For the hair, I use this one. This is very good. Yeah, make their hair white. Yeah, so use this mga Blissey. It's really good.
What?
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready to? Are you ready? Huh? Ready? Okay, ready. Look at you guys.